Friends, today I'm going to show that how to check camera by code of Samsung Mobile. Friends, to check camera by code of Samsung Mobile is an easy process, my friends. Now, easily you can check your camera is okay or not by code of Samsung Mobile. Friends, for this thing, you have to go on dialpad of your mobile. After that, you have to click on keypad. Then you have to enter star hash 34971539. After that, my friends, simply you have to enter hash and that. And see, all the camera is like this, my friends. See, from white camera, this is my rear camera, main, okay, right? And this one, see, rear camera, main, and normal. Front camera, normal, right? This one, and see, my friends, all the camera is okay, right? And see, built-in is data is okay. So, my friends, like this, if you want, you can check all the camera of Samsung Mobile by code. Friends, if this video helpful to you, like, share, comment, and especially subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get next video notifications. Thank you for watching. Hope so next time I'll come and have an exciting video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.